Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of 2015 Prizm Jumbo from Panini for Parishhh. Parishhh, just rookies and better. Let's go pack by pack. All right. Veteran base. Then we got Jeremy Hill green, not numbered. Reggie Bush Prizm, Kendrick Smith, and Davarius Daniels. Reggie Bush purple. Darrell Revis Prizm, Koyak Flowers, Stephon Anthony. What's up, Oliver? Looks like we got our first auto. First, we got a Jerry Rice Prizm, class of 2010, and nice purple jumbo exclusive. I don't have any sleeves. Be right back. Forgot that I moved everything when I was doing shipping today. Purple Jameis. Looks like that's all on sticker, not numbered. Purple Jameis. Congrats, Parishhh. Purple Jameis Winston. Then we got Air Marshals Prizm of Kaepernick, Dupree, Goodley, and Trey Waynes. Good way to start. We have a Super Bowl auto, Ricky Sanders, Super Bowl 22 for the Kansas City Chiefs. I'm sorry, Washington Redskins. Washington Redskins, not the Chiefs. Ricky Sanders, auto number 2. Amir Abdullah, red, not numbered. Green, Dyer, Jesse James. We got Kaepernick helmet, Air Marshals Brady, Julius Peppers red in their throwback unis, not numbered. Winston Rowe and Desmond Lewis. Air Marshals Newton, Blake Bell, Prizm, Shaq Thompson, Justin Hardy, Josh Harper. What's up, Gary? It's probably better than a Ben Koyak auto. Alright, we have J.J. Watt intros. Lawrence Taylor blue. That one's 106 of 150. Lawrence Taylor blue wave. Yeldon, Darby, Nelson, Aguilar. Our third auto is Eric Armstead, purple, not numbered. It's probably better than an Eric Armstead auto. Prizm, Eric Weddle, Cobb, Cameron Artis-Payne, Eric Armstead, base. We got Tyler Lockett, green. Rookie, not numbered. Purple, Darren Waller, not numbered. Alford, Crowder, and Garrett Grayson. Des Bryant, intros. Amir Abdullah, blue. Sorry about that. That's why we have the pad. Amir Abdullah, blue. Rookie, not numbered. McBride, Diggs, and Randy Gregory. All right, 2 packs left. Oh, we got Jared Cook, St. Louis Rams, 22 of 50. Purple prismatic. Clive Walford, Prism, DGB, David Johnson, Carl Davis. All right, last pack. What's up, 671? How you doing tonight, man? And numbered out of 350. Dre's Anderson Prism auto. Niner box. That is 174 of 350. Blue, Colston, not numbered, Robinson, Langford, and Jalen Collins. And just so you know, empty box. Thanks again, Parishhh. Congrats on your Jameis.